Hello friends, day 47, and I'm pleased to say for the first time in a week I feel properly well again. Not going to speak too soon, and I'm going to celebrate by having a short day tomorrow and a stay in a B&B. But anyway, what a day! High Cup Nick, that I think is the best view of the whole Pennine Way so far. And then down into Dufton, little village. My favourite view definitely though, High Cup Nick. And tonight I'm staying in a bothy. I'll show you around shortly, but this is the first bothy I've used on the trip so far. For those of you who don't know, bothies are open huts that are available to anybody who needs them. No payment needed, although donations are welcome. I joined the Bothy Association before setting off on the trip, and you'll see around in a minute. But for the moment, let's have a look at where I've been today and see you on the trail. Welcome to Greg's hut. So just an entrance there with various tools, and then into a sort of common area with lots of seating. And on the other side of that is the very rudimentary but perfectly adequate sleeping area. This is High Cup Nick, and I was absolutely blown away by this, almost literally. There was a 40-mile-an-hour wind, so unfortunately I didn't get too close to the edge. This is Britain's highest tarmac road, not open to public motor vehicles, but leads up to the radar station on top of Great Dun Fell. And this is Greg's hut, hiding away in the hills.